Good morning. Today we're going on a boat. Are you ready?
I'm really tired, but yeah.
All packed. Plenty of stuff.
You go on a boat!
Ready to go on a boat? I have this friend who owns a houseboat about an hour from Berlin. And he's gonna give it to us for the weekend. And even though it's gonna be freezing cold, given that we've taken loads of warm clothes and sleeping bags, it's most likely gonna be a good time.
Nice.
Shopping at the local organic store.
Weather forecast said that it would rain the whole day. Climate change is making things very
Unpredictable.
yeah. So we packed loads of really warm things, and we might not even need any of them.
It's a beautiful autumn day. Colors suit the season. About 10 years ago, I took a plane ride from Berlin to Kiev. During that flight, I was sitting next to a guy, and halfway into that ride, we both noticed that the night before, we were actually sitting next to each other in a Berlin restaurant. We were on the same flight to the same city of Kiev. And it gets even crazier because I played in one of his clubs in Kiev. We kind of like kept in touch more or less through social media. And in the beginning of this year, I all of a sudden got a WhatsApp. It was pretty much at the beginning of the pandemic. And the guy was like, "Hey man, how you doing? I moved to Berlin and now he is running these houseboats in Brandenburg an der Havel." This little town about an hour away from Berlin. And now, for the second time, he invited us to come here and take a weekend off from the city. So that's the name of the company, Falkenfloß. And these are the boats, Falke 1 and Falke 2. And the last time we were here, we were on this one, and now we're getting a new one that supposedly has thicker walls. We also take a sub on the roof, and it's a beautiful day, man. The weather forecast was so bad, and it turns out to be the most beautiful sunshiny day. That's just our travel karma. Here we go. Milo is already preparing for the ride. Yeah, this thing turns into a big bed. This is the roof of the boat. Got a little sub here. The whole thing is solar powered. It's a beautiful area here. A lot of waterways. And yeah, autumn at its best. Definitely gonna have a good time. Rock and roll. Cool, man. We're on our way. Captain Milo is navigating us through the currents. Passing the geese. pretty cold. Beautiful day though. We're pretty lucky with the weather. Climb on the roof here. Beautiful little horse ranch. Lots of traffic here. What's up? Another houseboat. It's so beautiful, man. But it's really cold. I gotta get back down. So quiet and peaceful here. So beautiful. And the water is so glassy. We just turned off the engine for a little bit. And now we're floating a bit. All you can hear is the birds and the geese. The music playing inside the boat. It's beautiful. Can only recommend these guys.
You're watching when we're drifting though, yeah?
Yeah, I'm fully aware.
I'm gonna be tripping.
Wow. So beautiful, man. So beautiful. I am very high on McKenny shrooms, but they work totally different than other shrooms I've taken. Last time I took Golden Teachers, I was totally out of control. As far as I'm concerned, I am in paradise right now.
What's grapes and drip?
So this is unbelievable. I mean, come on. But look at the photos I took. I mean, this is like the camera. I mean, that's like, good job, Samsung. Look at the geese flying. right here, right now. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Day number 2. Unfortunately, the weather let us down. We're back. The second day it's been a little rainy and cold. Here we are, back at the harbor.